So, what did you note down there? Now, like I said, if you want to watch it again, that's absolutely fine. Just rewind the video back and watch that bit again. What did you notice? Well, these are some of the language that I found. A story of sunshine and showers, popping out, stuck underneath the shower. Do you remember when he talked about that point where he said if you get stuck under the shower, you might be stuck under it for some time? And he also said you might need your brolly or the waterproofs. Now, if imagine we were using our formal language and we were talking to Mr. Day, I wouldn't say, Mr. Day, you need your brolly and your waterproofs. I said, Mr. Day, I think you might need an umbrella today. He also used the word upset the weather when that new weather front was coming in, and he was saying that was going to upset the weather. And the word, the phrase as well, dotted across. He said there was scatter showers dotted across, didn't he? And he used the word as well, tricky conditions, when he was discussing the fog in the morning on the Sunday. Might have some tricky conditions when you were driving. And then he also used the word snapshot, which is a bit like a photograph, isn't it? And I really liked the word as well where he said going downhill. The weather's going downhill from now. Instead of saying the weather is getting extremely worse now, he used the phrase, it's going downhill. So there was a lot of informal language there that he used to create a nice, relaxed weather report. And when you're going to be having a go at writing your weather report, we're going to use lots of informal language as if we're just having a nice, relaxed chat. However, there are points where we will need to use your formal language, and that will be at the beginning and the end of your weather report, and when you're talking about specific weather terms. You will need to use your formal language then. Okay, so now I've just got a couple of phrases that I thought I would share with you, and I want you to decide, what would you use here? Remember, if we're thinking we're talking in a formal, relaxed way. So my first one is scattered showers across the west, or a distribution of precipitation across the west. Which one would we say there to make it informal? Okay, let's see. We would use scattered showers across the west. A distribution of precipitation would mean that the rain is moving around and it's been put around the whole country, but it's a little bit too formal. We wouldn't use that in that relaxed style. Tempestuous winds in the northeast or blustery winds in the northeast. Which one do you think there we would use? We would use blustery winds in the northeast. Tempestuous means also blustery, but it's a little bit too formal. We might use tempestuous winds if we were talking to the Queen about the wind, but we wouldn't use it if we were just having a relaxed, informal chat. My last one. Radiation will be tremendous in the south. The sunshine will be great in the south. Which one do you think would work better there? Yes, the sunshine will be great in the south. Radiation also means sunshine. Tremendous is another word for great. But again, that would be the kind of style that we would use if we were talking to somebody very important. We're going to be using a more relaxed way of speaking. So now you have got your plan, but today all I want you to fill out is these two sections, 2 and 3, not the whole of your plan, because we're going to move on to that in the next couple of days. So today you're just going to be thinking about how you will start and talking about the whole country first, okay? So I'm going to give an example first of what I'd like you to put into your plan. So you're going to be thinking about, how am I going to start my weather report? How is it going to begin? All right. And then you're going to think about what you're going to say about the whole of the UK, not just specific areas, the whole of the UK. So I've got a little example here to show you. So I've started it, and I used a really sparkly pen today because I was feeling in a sparkly mood. I thought about starting my weather report quite formally. Right? So I started with, good morning and welcome to the weather today. I do hope you're enjoying the increasing sunshine we're experiencing. So we said, didn't we, it's sometimes nice to start it in a formal way, and then we get to a bit more of a chatty, relaxed, informal way. So then, if I'm going to talk about the whole country, now I'm going to imagine that it's quite sunny. I'm going to imagine that maybe we're in spring and we're going to think about that it's getting sunny and the temperature's increasing. So I had a little think about what I'd like to say here. So remember, this part is talking about the whole of the UK, not a specific area. So I thought I might say, today we have warm temperatures across the UK with many sunny spells. So we have warm temperatures. That's telling the audience that the weather is increasing, the temperature is increasing, it's getting warmer outside. And that's happening across the whole of the UK, not just in a specific area. And there's many sunny spells that is happening across all the UK. So not just in the north or not just in the south, but across the whole of the UK. Now, your activity for today is to have a go at creating and thinking about those first two parts of your plan. Now, I don't want you to write straight away. I want you to use your language. So lots of talking. Talk to the person in your room. Talk to your brothers and sisters. How would you start your weather report? You can even act it out if you want to. I will let you into a secret. We are going to do our own weather report on Friday. But I'd like you to really use your oracy, your language first. Talk it through. What would you like to say? Only once you have talked it through, then you can jot down your ideas. If you want to first make some notes and think, oh, I think I might like to say this, or maybe I'd like to say that, you can do that too. But I would like you to really talk through, act it out, pretend you are a weather reporter. You have the best fun doing this today, Year 1, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how you have created the start of your weather report. You're going to need this for tomorrow's lesson. You take care now, and I shall see you very soon. Bye now.